YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Ricky Magic's Kicks coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, before I get into it, I gotta wish my beautiful mother happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. I was out there in Chicago and Iowa. Had stopped through and kicked it with the family for about 4 or 5 days. That's why I have not been posting anything. Don't worry. Still will be at SneakerCon. I had a beautiful time with my mom and my brothers and my nephews and my nieces. My brother, Daniel Morris, hey, I seen you, boy. They won their first game out there in Des Moines, Iowa, as well as I stopped through and hollered at my family out there in Chicago. Now I'm back. Now it's time to get into it. Before I get into it, y'all do me a favor, man. If that's at the bottom say subscribe, it's great. Do me a favor. Turn it red. Hit your notification bell when you turn it red. Be part of Retro Rick and Magic's Kicks, the movement. The movement is on the way. So let's get right into it. Y'all see it's unboxing time. Been off the tube. You know, I've been looking at this pair. I didn't get it. They had these at the Nike app, on the sneaker app, on a draw, and other ways to get it boutiques. I struck out always, so I had to go to StockX. We'll open these things up. Okay. Come on up out of there. Okay. Nike, LDwaffle, Sacai, size 12. Yes, sir. Pine green, clay orange, they sold. So look, get right into it. Make sure everybody can see that. Y'all forgive me if I'm sweating. I'm trying to make sure to bring this visual alive for y'all in the audience. These lights are killing me. I'm not used to these lights. But the producer said we need them, so we here now. You got the Sacai paper. Let's go and open this thing up, man. Let's get this to it. Sacai paper. Here. This is my favorite color out of all 3 colorways that drop. Oh my good. Sheesh. Boy, look here. I ain't even look at it all the way. When I seen that green, that pine green, sheesh. Man, come on. Woo-wee. Get the other one. And I'm spending $365 for this. Way over retail. Me and the fam, get ready to go out of town to Disney World. So I figured I'll rock these. Extra laces. The double tongue. Ooh, Orlando, here we come, baby. Double checks, man. You know what? Let's hit the wall. The wall now. All right, gang, let's get it. I apologize for people that don't know. The wall, I was going to be in the shoebox. Man, them lights was killing me. It was too hot. So I thought I'd take it out poolside. Get up and close and personal with y'all, as well as this shoe. Man, biting. You got the pine green. You got your lace bags, extra laces, the double checks. Man, come on. Let's see what else we got. We're going to show you the back of the heel. Got the Nike Sacai on the back. Get detail as possible. You got one tongue with the Nike orange, say sportswear. You got the second one that says Nike Sacai. What I did notice about this shoe real quick is netted, see-through, so whatever socks you wear, it'll show up. So you want to get kind of a little fancy with it. Me, myself, I'm probably going to wear green socks just so the green can pop out a little bit more. Double laces. So you actually got 3. You got this lace. You got laces going through. This other shoe here. StockX verified. Man, I'm loving the back of that heel. Once again, like I said, we going to Disney World. Disney World, here we come. put this outfit together. Holler at my guy Money Fresh Clothing. I'm in the description below. I'm sure Money Fresh gonna hook me up with something to go nice with this. As well as y'all do know we have a coupon, right? 20% off if you're in a retro gang. Y'all shop with my boy Money Fresh Clothing, man. He on IG. I will leave the description below. For everybody that stuck with me on this, y'all do know about SneakerCon. I will be in the building with, you know, gifts and goodies. We got some merch. Me and Money Fresh, as well as I got some giveaways. Me and Maddie got some dope giveaways. So I'm gonna be at SneakerCon, not selling nothing, giving away a lot, giving back to the sneaker community, as well as, while y'all watching this, October 26th, me Retro Gang, Retro Family, Retro Mafia, we gonna feed 260 people on October 26th. The movement is on the way. We got bags. I got bags full of clothes. We got shoes. Man, it's about to be a lituation out here in the city, man. So, you know, this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Before I signed out, show y'all the inside real quick. QR code, got the Nike Sacai size 12. Oh, trust me, y'all. Follow me on IG. Me and Maddie under Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks on IG. And I will upload when I do the on foot, when I hit Disney World with the, you know, with the dope outfit that Money Fresh gonna put together for me, the shirt. So if you don't know, this how I sign out, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Man, stop playing with the gang and the mafia. Still a whole lot of gang. Let's get it. We out.